Tired of bouncing between Zillow and Notion, wishing there was a smoother way to manage your property research? Let's explore how you can leverage the power of Zillow within your Notion workspace for ultimate real estate organization. First, create a new database in Notion. This will be the foundation of your Zillow integration. Think of it like your property HQ. Now, customize the database columns. Essential columns include property address, Zillow link, which is crucial, price, status to track your progress, and a notes section for any important details. Tailor these columns to match your workflow. Add bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, anything that's important to your property search. When you find a property you're interested in on Zillow, simply copy the URL from your browser's address bar, then paste that URL into the Zillow link column for the corresponding property in your Notion database. This creates a direct pathway back to the full Zillow listing. Update the status, add price information, and fill in your notes column as you progress with each property from initial interest to scheduling viewings. Update the status column to stay organized. Use the notes section to record anything unique or important about the property, perhaps the condition of the backyard or the school district. Notion's filtering and sorting capabilities are your secret weapon. Filter your database by status to focus on properties that require immediate action, like those you need to contact. Sort by price to easily compare options within your budget. Enhance your workflow further by creating a calendar view. Add a date property to your database, and you can then visualize your property viewings and deadlines in a calendar format. This prevents missed appointments and keeps you on track. By integrating Zillow links into Notion, you create a centralized hub for all your property information. No more endless tabs or scattered notes, just a streamlined, productive workflow. Remember to like and subscribe for more Notion tips.